In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play season mode in NBA 2K26. First of all, go to the My NBA tab. Under it, we need to select My NBA, and from here, create a new save slot. I'm just gonna create here, and then we need to choose the era we wanna play in. Bunch of eras are here. I wanna go with modern era, so I'll just select that by pressing X on PlayStation or A on Xbox, and then it will start creating our My NBA league. We just have to do some customizations on this setup, and if you wanna customize anything, then for that press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, and you can enable or disable whichever thing you want here. So basically you can go through all of these options and check mark the option you wanna have. So let's say I wanna have an online league, then I can toggle on this option like so, and then a green dot will be added next to it. But I want to create an offline league, that's why I'm gonna disable it. And now press the start menu key on your controller to advance, and now we wanna select the team we wanna play in. Now you can select multiple teams, so let's say I wanna go with Chicago Bulls, then I can select that. If I wanna go with this one as well, then I can select that like this, but I wanna stick with Chicago Bulls, so that's why I'll just select that. Then again press start key on your controller. From here we wanna continue it, and then I wanna select this option which is auto generate rookies. Now you can see our season mode has been created here. If you wanna customize anything for your league, then for that press B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation, then it will open this menu. From here go to coaching, under it go to coach game plan, and from here select the team, or you can select all teams like so, and then you can change the arrangement of your top 5 players, or you can decrease or increase the minutes of them on court. So you can do all the basic customizations from here. Now I wanna go back from here, again go back. Now to play your next game, just go to your next game and then click on play game, and from here you can choose your trade offer. So I wanna decline it like so, and then pick your side. Now to start your game, press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and your game will be started, and you can easily play in your season mode. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.